An Ode to Pseudoscience. Junk science is now the fad, but it just makes me very mad to hear these far-fetched theories and to answer the resulting queries. What is this insanity that has gripped humanity? No matter what the facts are, the claims get more bizarre. It's all based on politics, just a bunch of sleazy tricks. Let's look at some examples, although they are just samples. Did you hear the breaking news? Global warming is just a ruse. The truth is totally surprising. Temperatures aren't rising. As you might recall, they are starting to fall. Ignore the repeated heat waves, that's just how climate behaves. They say the scientists cheat by adding extra heat. It's an utter shame. Al Gore is to blame. It cycles, or so they say, so just wait another day. The weather will change to a cooler range. The climate skeptics do decry that all the models go awry. Their math must be obsolete, as they predict too much heat. Carbon dioxide is our friend. On that gas all plants depend. Besides, it's far too rare to have any effect on our air. Our coal does not pollute. Its effect is quite minute. Clean coal is now the watchword, even though it sounds absurd. Oil almost never spills, causing a host of ills. Our economy it sustains, fueling our cars and boats and planes. Electric cars are no substitute. Their advocates we should prosecute. They perform under par and do not go very far. Natural gas fracking isn't bad, although in some places it's for bad. But it leads to some folks to inquire how it makes water catch on fire. We all know solar cannot work. It relies on a physics quirk. It is okay when the weather's fine, but what happens when the sun don't shine? We all know the real score. Sunlight you just cannot store. Batteries are a big joke and often go up in smoke. Wind turbines kill all the birds, a death machine in other words. They are an ugly sight to behold and freeze up when the weather's cold. Okay, so where is all the snow? The scientists don't seem to know. But a new ice age is on the way, so ignore what the weathermen say. There is no need to hurry, other things make us worry. The grand solar minimum, they say, is about to come. The sun is about to die, but nobody knows quite why. They are absolutely sure icy weather will endure. There will be snow and hail, plus all the crops will fail. Humans will all freeze to death as we take our final breath. Starvation will be rife, and the extinction of all life. But that is not the worst. The sun may soon burst. If it is as I understood, this breaking news is not good. But this you should not fear. There's worse to come, I hear. A polar vortex is no fun, a massive danger from the sun. Spinning 93 million miles away, the only thing to do is pray. If scientists did their sums, then Planet X, here it comes. Jupiter's mass times 4, some claim it's much, much more. Its enormous magnetic field penetrates our earthly shield, raining dangerous cosmic rays, bringing about the end of days. If you ask them in a quiz, they can't tell you where it is, for it is inky black, thus impossible to track. Our magnetic field is reversing as the polar ice is dispersing. It's a serious situation. Siberia is its destination. Directions will be upside down, the world turned utterly around. Some say we'll be thrown into space. What a bad end for the human race. Didn't you know that our Earth is flat? I bet you'd forgotten that. You can fall off the edge, or so these experts allege. The truth from us they do conceal, that gravity is not real. Things don't fall to the ground. The reason is quite profound. Nor is the sky blue. That I thought you knew. It's just an illusion caused by mass confusion. Vaccines will never work. They just make you go berserk. These are mind-controlling drugs. There are no little bugs. Wearing a mask is slavery. Removing it is bravery. They prevent natural breath and cause you to choke to death. You see, we have much to fear. The end times are drawing near. An ancient Mayan told me so, and being dead he ought to know. Have you had enough? Did I get all the weird stuff? There's one thing for sure, there will be more. There are those that pour scorn on all this fear porn. Surely people don't make things up in order just to make a buck. If in any of these you believe, it is something I cannot conceive. You need to go back to physics school, lest you be judged an April Fool. That's all, folks, for this time around. Until next time, stay safe and stay skeptical. Goodbye.